అన్న నేనైతే ఫ్రీ ఫైర్ ఓపెన్ చేశాను బిఆర్ ఆడుకోవడానికి. వెంటనే ఫ్రెండ్ లిస్ట్లో నుంచి ఒకరు ఎవరో ఇన్వైట్ చేశారు. అందుకే నేను వీళ్ళని ఏమన్నారో వినండి.
First doom.
As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I take a look at my life and realize there's nothing left. Cause I've been blasting and laughing so long that even my mama thinks that my mind is gone. But I ain't never crossed a man that didn't deserve it. We be treated like a punk, you know that's unheard of. You better watch how you're talking and where you're walking, or you and your homies might be lying to chalk. I really hate the trip, but I gotta low. As they croak, I see myself in the pistol smoke. Fool, I'm the kind of G the little homie wanna be like on my knees in the night, saying prayers in the street light.
First doom.
Je suis pas celle que tu crois, qu'un cabrón m'a touché. Rappelle-toi caballero,
First doom.
un crime à faire. Je suis une clandestine.